Meaning of in crowd.
In crowd.
In crowd.
In crowd.
In crowd. The term in crowd refers to a social group or clique that is exclusive and highly regarded by others. Members of an in crowd often hold similar interests, beliefs, or status, making it difficult for outsiders to join. Being a part of an in crowd can provide benefits such as social status and support, but it can also create pressure to conform to group norms. In crowds can be found in many settings, including schools, workplaces, and social media. Ultimately, being in the in crowd can be both rewarding and challenging, depending on the individual's perspective and experiences.